bringing back the debate to the core issue of how it is a vendetta politics or how it is a politics of vengeance. It's pretty clear, before having the order in hand, though it may be legally right as the precedences have been cited by Ishkaran. But before having the order in the hand, you rush to the court because you don't want Kejriwal out, come what may. And when it comes to other politicians, who have switched sides in the past, who are holding very important portfolios with BJP, like Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Chief Minister of Assam, the leader of opposition, the leader of BJP, the president of BJP in Bengal, the ED just shuts its eye and goes down to sleep.
Which case was pending against him? Please tell me. Sir, 1 second. He has filed defamation suit against Indian Express. He was a witness in that case, not an accused. But why are we allowing him to lie?
No, you can rebut. Let him make his point.
But how is it that you are allowed to lie?
No, you're not.
Just because he's a northeastern person, you will make lie accusations.
Of course, it's not that. Come on.
Just because he's from Assam, you will make abusive accusations against him.
It's not that.
Piyush Joshi, you have something against Assam? He was a witness. You are calling him accused. This is an insult of people of Assam. You have insulted the people of Assam. Assamese people should see that a person is a witness. He is calling him accused.
Piyush Joshi, ये अब नहीं चलने वाले बिना काम के.
नहीं बिना काम के नहीं. 1 minute. Piyush Joshi, be responsible in your commentary.
भड़कने नहीं वाली है भाई साहब.
Piyush Joshi.
जरा संभल के बोला करिए. नेशनल टेलीविजन पे बोल रहे हैं.
Piyush Joshi ji, be responsible in your commentary. Applies to all of us. Now make the point.
So
you are saying, 1 minute sir, you are
point,
saying, and this is the second time you are saying that this is vendetta. Can I ask you 2 simple questions? Who sent Arvind Kejriwal to jail? Courts or Mr. Nadda? You tell me.
We have discussed about it.
But sir, who sent him to jail? You tell me.
I am telling you, I am giving you the reply. You cannot have that in the format of answer that you desire. I will give answer according to my own conscience. So all I am trying to explain that, it is the law because of which we have discussed it in n number of times, Baba, about the PML Acts and its amendments and how this law is draconian and whether or not it is under review, before the Honorable Supreme Court of the country. And that is why not only Kejriwal ji, you go after a party, you put all its top leaders behind bars, including Sanjay Singh, including Manish Sisodia, including Satyendra Jain, Kejriwal. You want to demolish that party once and for all. You want to teach them a lesson. Because they have gone ahead and
do you have faith in the judiciary?
Just 1 line.
Of course we have faith in
you have faith in judiciary. You didn't answer my first question. Who sent the leaders that you are naming? Who put them in jail? Why are they not out? Why are the courts not? Mr. Joshi, that's the question you must answer.
Yes, I am answering that question precisely now. Now, how the courts will adjudicate? They will adjudicate according to the law of the land.
Exactly.
What is the law of the land? What is the law of the land? The PML Act. Whether or not it has been amended in a draconian manner and subsection 45 has been brought into view.
Okay, let's get into BJP quickly. Yes.
10 seconds. Piyush ji, just one yes or no before I make my statement. Is Charanjit Channi a vindictive man? Yes or no?
देखिए साहब,
अरे 1 second, sir, Piyush ji, it's my turn. 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 Piyush ji, I am not yielding. Piyush ji, I am assuming that because Charanjit Channi is from Congress, he is not vindictive. Now, please, sir, don't interrupt. Don't interrupt. Mr. Piyush, don't interrupt. Pranesh, I am requesting your channel to not get me interrupted. 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Are you the
10 seconds, don't interrupt.
Is Ajit Pawar a corrupt man or not?
Don't let him interrupt.
Is Ajit Pawar a corrupt man or not?
ਦਿੱਲੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਬੜਾ ਸ਼ਰਾਬ ਦਾ ਘੁਟਾਲਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਤੇ ਉਹੀ
corrupt man or not?
ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਜੇ ਤੱਕ ਕੋਈ ਕਾਰਵਾਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਈ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਕਾਰਵਾਈ ਦੀ ਮੰਗ ਕਰਦੇ
Times Now kept me on a 2 window. I don't know why. When I requested Times Now that don't allow him to interrupt, I'll paraphrase what Charanjit Channi said.
No.
Please let me complete. Pranesh, it's only fair that I'm allowed to complete. It's my turn. He's constantly interrupting in my turn.
Piyush Joshi ji,
this is not fair.
Down one person
this
at
is
a
not
time.
fair.
One person
I
at
asked
a time.
Piyush Joshi.
Make your point.
That Charanjit Channi is obviously not vindictive, and Piyush Joshi, Charanjit Channi said कि ये जो केजरीवाल है ना, ये शराब घोटाले का सरगना है, इसको 10 दिन के लिए 15 दिन के लिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने छोड़ा है, पर शराब घोटाला किया है वहां पर, और पंजाब में भी शराब घोटाला हुआ है. एंड सेकेंडली, द एंटायर केस वाज स्टार्टेड बाय कांग्रेस कंप्लेंट. कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी इफ कांग्रेस इज विंडिक्टिव?
Question, Shehzad ji. Please answer in yes or no. Is Ajit Pawar a corrupt man or not? Is Chhagan
Nobody
Bhujbal a
has
corrupt
given him
man or
clean
not?
sheet from the courts.
अरे
Like
yes or no में
nobody
answer
has
दो
said
ना।
that courts के आगे जाके उसको clean sheet दे
अरे
दो.
आप बताओ ना।
Nobody
आप
has said
बताओ
कोर्ट के
ना।
आगे जाके clean sheet दे दो. आप वो कह रहे हैं केजरीवाल के लिए.
क्या cat got your
केजरीवाल
tongue?
को भी तो कोर्ट ही देख रहा है ना.
got your tongue?
कोर्ट दोनों को देख
बताओ
रहा
ना
है.
अजीत
तो
पवार
एक को
का।
क्यों डिफेंड
Yes
कर
or
रहे
no
हो
में
आप?
answer दो।
कोर्ट दोनों को देख
Yes
रहा
or no में
है.
answer दो
कोर्ट
ना।
दोनों को देख रहा है. और लालू तो
yes or no
कन्विक्टेड है
में
4
answer
बार.
अजीत पवार corrupt
लालू
है कि नहीं?
कन्विक्टेड है
छगन
4
भुजबल
बार.
corrupt है कि नहीं?
लालू 4
कोई
बार
घोटाला
कन्विक्टेड है.
हुआ था कि नहीं हुआ था?
लालू 4 बार कन्विक्टेड है.
अरे ये बताओ ना आप।
लालू
आपने
4 बार
प्रश्न पूछा,
convicted
मैं
है.
प्रश्न पूछा हूं, जवाब दो। क्या
आपने
यार,
तो ये
क्या
सवाल
बात
पूछ
करते
लिया
हो
ना.
यार?
फिर भी
क्या
तो
क्या
आपकी
बात
0
करते
सीट
हो
आई
यार,
दिल्ली
चलो
में.
भाई यार।
0
Come on
सीट्स
यार।
आई दिल्ली
What
में.
kind of
जनता ने
questions
जवाब
you
दिया
ask
है.
यार?
जनता ने
What kind
यस
of
और नो में
questions you
जवाब
ask?
दिया
You
है.
are learned
0
यार।
सीट्स इन दिल्ली.
Debate decently.
You
What
see,
kind of
this
questions do you
vendetta
ask?
argument has been, done to death. इसमें इस
0 सीट्स आउट ऑफ 7 दिल्ली ने आपको जवाब दे दिया इस पे.
Dr. Muni, before I bring you in, now, Ishtaran, every time, we're discussing this, the other side says, look, we have doubts on democracy, judicial process. But just last evening, they were all celebrating. We can't hear you, Ishtaran. I think you're on mute.
Hello,
Yeah,
can you hear me?
yeah.
Yeah. Pranesh, it's more dangerous than this. There are certain leaders who have self-proclaimed themselves to be anarchists. So their means of success lies in trying to destabilize every institution. You heard EVMs being questioned daily, but they got better than expected result in certain states, so EVMs are not being questioned anymore. EVMs are obviously kosher. The chief election commissioner had a very funny take on it, that till the next election in which opposition suffers a defeat, EVMs will be absolutely safe. But if they suffer a defeat, again EVMs are to be questioned. So now let us come to this aspect of this. Trying to question judiciary. It is not possible in 24 hours you were celebrating a victory by a judiciary, and in 24 hours democracy comes in danger. And incidentally, I think the courts have been very generous with us. Aam Aadmi Party, Mr. Kejriwal, as a chief minister, got interim bail to campaign. There is another chief minister who did not get this interim bail to campaign. So he should then say that AAP is getting a better treatment. No, it all depends on case-to-case basis and facts-to-fact basis. Forget for a second Arvind Kejriwal, just a second. Mr. Satinder Jain is in jail for maybe more than 1.5 years in a separate case. Trial court, High Court, Supreme Court have found enough evidence to keep him in jail. Mr. Manish Sisodia is in jail almost 1 year. Why are those cases not talked about? Out of 6 or 7 cabinet ministers in Delhi, 3 are in jail, including the chief minister. Why is that not talked about? Not
Okay.
everything can be ascribed to vendetta. You have to own up to your mistakes, and if you have committed crimes, you have to face the law.
As simple as that, you really hit the nail on its head. I don't think anything needs to be said further. Let's wait for 2-3 days.